Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen during the tariff, the gold was making high as well as low. Okay, it has not made a very volatile movement compared to what we have seen previously. Okay, the price was not that great. It was in the range of $50. Okay, now we have seen the price has dropped to a level of around 30550, and then it has moved upside also. Okay, so volatility we have seen after the post US tariff. Okay, but what we have seen, we have not seen that the movement was so big. That means around $100 or $200 movement we have not seen. Okay, but if we have seen the US tariff before also, the volatility is quite the same. Okay, so now if you look at this particular chart, there is a continuous upside. Before tariff also we have seen there was a continuous upside in the gold. Okay, because there was an announcement regarding the tariff. So this was the period where the price was was according to the, because of the tariff, it was going upside. Okay, now after tariff, what we have seen, that the price of crude has come down, because see, when there is a disruption in the supply, import and export, or a supply, you have to understand the demand decreases. That is where the price of crude has decreased. Similarly, people are shifting towards gold because this is a safe haven. And if you look at this particular trend, chances will be very high that suppose if the price keep moving above this level, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, because there is a pattern is forming, so you have to understand, if the price keep moving over this level, a further upside we can see. Because see, if you look at this particular trend candle, we have seen a green candle is forming. After that, there is a bigger red candle. Okay, so there was a change in the direction, because see, green candle, there's change in the trend, so it has changed the trend. Similarly, if you look at this trend, a swing has formed, we have seen an upside. This is what we have seen in the month of 2025, in the year 2025. But previously, if you look at this, what we have seen, it was creating a U pattern, and this has been a trend for quite some time. And as soon as it moved in the month of April of 24, this particular range, that is where it is trying to go higher, and it is going higher and higher. Okay, the price of gold, see, if you look at this trend, it make a swing at this particular level, because a profit booking has come at this particular level, these levels, but otherwise it is continuously on a higher side, and we can see there will be an upside if the price keep moving above this level. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, if you are a beginner, this video may not support you, because see, if you look at for a longer view, you can see that the price is continuously moving. For a longer view, the price of gold, we can see there is an upside. Okay, till the time it is not breaking a level of around 2960, we will see there will be an upside movement. But if you are trading or short view, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, from this we have seen only this particular red candle is forming. Otherwise, from this particular 2025, there is a rise in the price of gold. Okay, because there is an uncertainties happened, so we have seen that the price of shift to the gold. Okay, the safe haven, what we have seen people are calling it. Okay, so now if the price started sustaining this level, we can see there will be a further rise. Okay, let's see how the dollar index is moving. But before that, you have to understand, if the price started falling below a level of 2950 around, we can see there can be a further downfall, because this is a strong level. Okay, if it breaks down, then a further downfall we can see. Okay, so probability of moving below a level of 100.2 also we can see for the dollar index. And once started falling below this level, a further fall we can see towards 99.15 to a level of 97.5. Okay, so once the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see towards 95, and then further low. So you have to understand, if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of 102.7, and once started going above this level, chance of touching 104.2 will be there. and if that sustain, we can see a level of 104.6. okay, and once the price moving up that particular level, chance of touching 106.1 we can see. okay, so suppose if it started sustaining this level, we can see it can move towards 103.1, and from there a further upside towards a level of 104. once the price sustain above this level, and if it started going over 104.5, chances of touching this particular level we can see, and then it will move towards 106.5 level, and if that sustain, a further upside towards 107.4 we can see. okay, and once the price moving over this level, a further upside move we can see. okay, so when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will move down, silver will move down, crude will move down, as well as natural gas. But if the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of gold will move up, silver will move up, natural gas will move up, and crude will move up. okay, because see, they are inversely related to it. So whenever you start to trade, put your SL so your capital will be safe, and trail your SL so your profit will be safe. These two. Next level we can see coming at a level of 3169. okay, this is the level. So what you can do is you can trail SL by $5 or $7. if you are trailing your SL, there is a higher chances that we can see there will be a further upside movement, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go and touch a level of around $3087, which is the next support. okay, so once the price started coming at this level, we can see a bounce back can come. But if it started falling below this level, chances of touching a level of around 3055 will be there. okay, if the price started falling below 3055, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 3052, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $3013. okay, and if the price started going below this particular level 3055, chance of touching 3013 will be there, and then to a level of around 3010, and these are the levels where we can see a bounce back can come. But if the price started falling below this level, the strong level we can see after a level of 3010, we can see a level of around $2985, and from there a level of around 2955. okay, and this 2955 we have to see a strong level at this level, so we can see a bounce back can come. But if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2935. okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. okay, so you have to understand, if you are trading, keep your SL, trail your SL. okay, and set your limit for a day as well as for a particular week, so that you should not be wiping out of capital. This is very important. if you are not following these rules, please don't trade. okay, and you don't have to make double your money in a single day, because market is not going anywhere. please keep your limit of earning 20 whatever percent you have, or once started going down around, if you earn 100%, if it comes down 80, please stop the trade for the day and then trade the next day. any doubt regarding this you can mail me. if you want a workshop also, okay, we can work it. if you are doubted where you can, we can work out on it, and we can do a Zoom call also. So you can mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.